Dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about the anatomy of stem, root and leaf of Lycopodium. So let's begin with the anatomy of stem first. So see this diagram. This is the TS or transverse section of stem of Lycopodium. Here you can see that the first layer is the epidermis. Okay, and epidermis is protected by a cuticle. Below the epidermis you see this is a big region. This is known as cortex, and the cortex is divided into three parts. Outer cortex made up of sclerenchymatous cells, middle cortex made up of parenchymatous cells with intercellular spaces, and inner cortex again with sclerenchymatous cells. Then at the center you can find this is a stele. In case of Lycopodium stem, the stele is of protostele type. Protostele. Okay, with exarch xylem. Exarch xylem means the arrangement where the protoxylem is towards the periphery and the metaxylem is at the center. So this kind of arrangement is known as exarch xylem. So in case of stem of Lycopodium, we get to see protostele with exarch xylem. Now moving on to the anatomy of root of Lycopodium, we can see a structure like this. Okay, so at first you will see an epidermis, which is again below the epidermis. There you can find cortex, which is divided into two zones. First zone, which is here, it is signified by the pink color. It is sclerenchymatous in nature. That means it is composed of sclerenchymatous cells. So it is known as outer cortex or sclerenchymatous cortex. Then inner to the sclerenchymatous cortex lies the cortex layer consisting of parenchymatous cells. Here it is marked by this green color. Okay, and the stele in this case in the root of Lycopodium is protostele, and it is monarch in young roots while diarch or polyarch in older roots. Now what is monarch, diarch and polyarch? Now having one xylem strand is called monarch, having two xylem strands is called diarch, and having more than 4 xylem strands is known as polyarch. So remember this, that in case of Lycopodium the root is the stele is protostele, and in case of young roots, the arrangement of xylem is monarch, while in case of older roots, the arrangement of xylem is diarch or polyarch. Now moving on to the anatomy of leaf, we get to see a structure like this. Okay, this type of structure is seen. Here you can find an epidermis surrounded by cuticle, and you can see also certain stomata present on the epidermis. Then below the epidermis or inner to the epidermis lies this zone of mesophyll cells. Okay, mesophyll cells consisting of parenchymatous cells with lots of intercellular spaces, and each of these mesophyll cells contain a number of chloroplasts in them. The stele in this case is a mesarch vascular bundle, and the tip of the leaf on the other hand is composed of xylem alone, no phloem, whereas at the base of the leaf the phloem surrounds the xylem. So this was about the anatomy of stem, root and leaf in Lycopodium. Thank you so much.